So I just wanted to show you a little trick, a very short video here, where you need to thread your bobbin, but you've got no bobbin threader. And these ceramic bobbins are quite hard to thread. So you get your thread, you put it in like so, and then you try and suck the thread through the tube like so, and there we are. That's your thread, that's your bobbin threaded. I hope you enjoyed that little hack. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.